Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to plant a green bean. First, choose a sunny spot in your garden that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Green beans prefer well-draining soil with a pH between 6.0 and 6.8. If your soil is heavy clay, incorporate plenty of organic matter, such as compost, to improve its structure and provide essential nutrients for healthy plant development. Once your soil is prepared, it's time to plant. Wait until all danger of frost has passed and the soil temperature is at least 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Plant your green bean seeds 1 inch deep and about 3 to 4 inches apart. If you're planting in rows, space them 18 to 24 inches apart. For pole varieties, remember to install a sturdy trellis or support system right away, giving the vines something to climb as they grow. Consistent watering is crucial for a bountiful harvest. Green beans need about 1 inch of water per week, especially when they are flowering and forming pods. Water deeply and regularly, ensuring the soil remains consistently moist but not waterlogged. Applying a 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch, like straw or shredded leaves, around your plants will help retain soil moisture, regulate temperature, and keep those pesky weeds at bay. Finally, the exciting part, harvesting. You can typically start picking green beans about 50 to 60 days after planting, when the pods are young, tender, and around 4 to 6 inches long. To encourage more production, harvest regularly, every 2 to 3 days. Gently snap or cut the stem just above the bean, being careful not to pull or damage the plant. Enjoy your fresh, homegrown green beans.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.